And gentlemen, I am Jomar H. Simpson from BSS Filipino 1A. Today, I stand before you to delve into a topic that touches the depth of our inner selves, breaking the chains of self-doubt, embracing confidence amidst uncertainty. Okay. Self-doubt is a silent assassin that lurks in the corner of our minds, whispering words, inadequacy, and fear. It is that nagging voice that questions our abilities, our worth, and our potential. It shackles us from it shackles us, preventing us from reaching our true greatness and from embracing the fullness of our potential. But why do we allow self-doubt to hold such a power over us? Why do we let it dictate the course of our lives? The answer lies in the very nature of our minds. We are wired to seek comfort and security to avoid risk and uncertainty, and self-doubt, with its cloak of familiarity, offers us a false sense of safety. It keeps us confined with the walls of our comfort, zones shielding us from the unknown and the predictable. But here's the truth. Growth lies beyond those walls. Success lies beyond our comfort zones. And to break free from the chains of self-doubt, we must be willing to step into the unknown, to embrace the uncertainty that comes with pursuing our dreams. So how do we go about breaking free from the grip of self-doubt? How do we cultivate the confidence to pursue our goals with unwavering determination? We must recognize that self-doubt is not a reflection of our true selves. It's merely a product of our thoughts, shaped by our past experiences and perceptions. By acknowledging these, we can begin to separate ourselves from our doubts and take back control of our minds. We must challenge the validity of our doubts. Are they based on concrete evidence, or are they simply unfounded by fears? By questioning the legitimacy of our doubts, we can begin to dismantle their power over us. We must surround ourselves with positivity and support. Seek out people who believe you, who uplift you, and who encourage you to chase your dreams. Their unwavering support will serve as a shield against the arrows of doubt that may come your way. We must take action. Confidence is not something that is bestowed upon us. It is something that is earned through our actions. So even when self-doubt rears its ugly head, take a leap of faith and take that first step toward your goals. With each step forward, you'll find your confidence growing stronger and your doubts fading away. Breaking the chains of self-doubt is not an easy task. It requires courage, resilience, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. But by challenging our doubts, surrounding ourselves with positivity, we can break free from the shackles of self-doubt and embrace the confidence needed to pursue our dreams. Thank you.